Two native doves hanging out with me in the backyard. I've got a hummingbird up there on the feeder. He just left. Back to our little doves. Oh, the hummingbird, he's sticking around up there above the... Oh, I've got two of them. You guys won't be able to see both, but there's... Oh, well, damn it. Yeah, you can't see. There was one. There's one at the feeder. It's kind of dark in there, so it's hard to see him. Oh, there he is. There were two a second ago. They've been really active tonight. I'm loving this. And if you just heard the bird fly over, that was a Eurasian dove. And in the tree he goes. And out. Oh, I lost him. Oh, he's still up there. I'm sorry for the shaky camera. He's up there though. And these little guys, they don't get worried about much. They're so cute. And then if we pan over to my little lovebirds over here, they're still there. That's their spot. That's where they like to perch. They'll sit and groom each other. I love our backyard. It's just perfect. Oh, I have a hummingbird making noises out here. I don't know where he's at though. Well, the dove left. And I've got... Oh, they're flying all over the place. Going on the fence. Anyway, this is quite boring for you all, I'm sure. But that's what I'm doing. I'm sitting in the backyard just enjoying the birds.